Watch any baby animal closely now. A puppy presses against its mother. A kitten burrows into warm fur. A baby monkey clings to mother. A human baby reaches for parent. Different animals, doing the same thing. A baby elephant stays under mother. A baby bird huddles under wings. A baby seal lies on mother. Even baby bats cling inside colonies. This is not a human quirk. This is something much, much bigger. Across the animal kingdom, this repeats. Every baby mammal wants parents close. Not just close, but touching skin. And here's the strange part. No animal teaches its baby this. No puppy watches another puppy first. No kitten learns this from anyone. It is there from the start. The moment they are born, complete. Even animals that hatch from eggs. Chicks press together the moment hatched, before they can even walk properly. This episode goes back very far, back before humans, before primates entirely. Back to when warm-blooded life began. Picture the very first warm-blooded animals. Their bodies could make body heat. This was a huge evolutionary advantage. But there was one massive problem. Newborns could not make heat yet. A baby could lose heat fast. Cold and alone, a newborn dies. The solution was simple and brilliant. Stay against a warm body, always. The parent becomes a living furnace. The baby borrows that warmth completely. This is why baby animals huddle. Puppies pile onto each other always. Kittens stack together in warm heaps. Even baby rats do this instinctively. Heat sharing became a survival rule. A rule written into the body. Lose too much heat. Organs slow. Slow organs in newborns are dangerous. So the body demands warmth, urgently. Not a preference, not a habit. A built-in requirement for staying alive. Here is where it gets wider. This need for warmth made something, a way to call it back. This need for closeness made sounds. When a baby animal loses contact, it cries out, almost without exception. A puppy yelps when handled wrong. A kitten mews when moved away. A baby rat makes a sound humans cannot hear easily, but other rats hear it instantly, too high for human ears mostly. A human baby cries out loud. Different sounds, but the same message. Come back, I have lost contact. Scientists have studied this call closely. They found something remarkable across species. The call in a baby rat and the call in a baby trace back to one ancient origin, one ancestor, long before mammals split, before rats existed, before primates existed. The same part of the brain lights up in both during separation. This brain region is very old, older than primates, older than mammals. Researchers trace this split back far, 90 million years into the past, and yet that same alarm exists, carried forward, copied into every descendant, never deleted, never replaced, only adjusted. In rats, in monkeys, in humans, in almost every mammal ever studied. That is not a small claim. That is 90 million years, unbroken. A single signal, carried forward unbroken, through countless different bodies and brains, all saying the same simple thing. I am separated. Please come back. Now here comes the strongest proof. Proof that the body acts alone. Scientists studied very young rat pups. Pups just days old, freshly born. They separated young pups from mothers. Not for long, only briefly there. Then researchers measured each tiny body. What they found was quite startling. The pups' heart rates changed immediately, not slightly, but in major ways. Their bodies could no longer self-regulate. Self-regulate simply means controlling things alone. Without the mother, that control failed. Heart rate, activity, even sleep patterns. It all depended on her presence. Without her there, nothing worked right. Put the mother back, all steadied. Take her away. It all wobbled. The mother was not just comfort. The mother was part of it. Almost a piece of the pup. Almost like a borrowed body part. Something the pup could not own. Something it had to borrow constantly. Now think back to human babies. Remember the earlier episode on this. Human newborns showed that same pattern. Separated from contact, their systems wobbled. Heart rate, breathing, and temperature changed. Reunited with a parent, all steadied. Rats and humans, separated by millions of years, yet sharing this, showing the exact same hidden machinery. This is not just a coincidence. This is one system, reused everywhere. A working solution, copied across species. Why build new when this works? Evolution found something that worked perfectly, and then it kept that solution across an enormous range of species. Mammals as different as rats, humans, still running on the same code. Now here is something even stranger. This signal can cross species entirely. A mother deer was tested once. Researchers played cries from other species, sounds the deer had never made, sounds from animals very far away, cries from goats, seals, even humans. The deer reacted with clear concern, even though she never heard them, even though they were different species. Something in that cry still registered. As a baby in distress, somewhere, the signal is that deeply shared. It crosses lines between different animals. A signal basic enough, no translation. Distress sounds like distress, everywhere, always. That is how old this is. Let us bring this back home. Every mammal carries some version here, but humans carry something extra too. Human babies are born very helpless. A baby deer stands within hours. Within hours, it can flee danger. A human baby cannot run, years. A baby human cannot, for months. This makes human babies more dependent, even more in need of contact. The ancient system runs even higher, more crying, more reaching, more clinging, because for us, the stakes climb, in us, compared to other species. So when a human baby cries, for being put down and left, that cry carries an extra weight, the weight of total, complete helplessness, layered onto one ancient alarm system, an alarm shared with rats, monkeys, shared in some form with most. This is the part that lands. Open any old baby photo now. That tiny body ran on this. You were once that helpless newborn, carrying a signal 90 million years, shared with creatures completely unlike you. Rats, monkeys, deer, dogs, cats too. All of them want one thing, a warm body, close, not distant. All of them cry when missing. All of them calm down afterward. The crying is not the goal. The crying is simply the request. You did this too. Just alike. Not because you are an animal, but because this system runs deep. It predates nearly everything that differs. Language, culture, tools, none existed yet. This system was running long before. It is among the oldest wiring shared across the mammal family, and humans never stopped carrying it. We just added more on top, more emotion, more memory, more meaning. Underneath all of that, same call. Quiet now, but never fully gone. Waiting under everything else we are. The same need for a body. The same ancient circuit, running still. Next time you see a baby, reaching for a parent, crying alone, remember what you are actually watching. A signal older than almost everything. Still working, still calling, still answered. From the smallest nest to cities, in nests, dens, and nurseries everywhere, including the one you slept in. We dig up another one soon.